'Cause you like that.
Okay, I'm trimming my keys by here. Well done. Thank you, Mr. Man.
All right. Good morning, chat.
$17 a contract.
How we doing?
There, so I will definitely
Happy FAFO Friday. I just took NQ short. At this fair value, we got a change in the state already. We have an SMT at the highs. What's having an error?
Wow,
Ah. There we go.
As well as existing home sale data, which just came out.
I am short here. ES is already starting to displace a little bit lower, but again, there's been a lot of strength. We're right at all-time highs, so first target fit that low, internal liquidity low, 57 points. That's 22,000. If we get that, I'm definitely trimming majority of position, which will be 4 contracts. And then, you know, if we get further, I'm going to be looking for these lows. So, we'll see.
NVIDIA 149 calls.
I already did take an L this morning. Right here. Nice displacement so far. Trying to soup that low. Would like to see continued displacement to the downside into my target. And do it pretty fast. I'm going to shoot you. Stream not delayed today? Good. Good. It's 20 points. Ain't nothing to go home and celebrate about. I'm with you, Mikey. Give me 22,000 even. That's first target. Bang, bang. Come on, baby.
Beautiful. What a short.
That'll be first target at 57 points. Come on. So what, Mikey trading NQ? Like a savage?
Oh, I murdered futures last night.
Oh, dude, you're just a killer in every area, aren't you? Love it.
That's right.
Well, you do, motherfucker. You do.
Oh, yeah.
Love the distribution to the downside here. I can't celebrate till I get first trim. So looks great. Love to see it. No celebrations until I secure some money. What? Yeah, I'm short at 22,057. I can't take first trim until 22,000 because, I mean, that's risk to reward. That's, I mean, I have conviction for that low. I have no reason to trim before that. Unless I see something forming against me here, which we might see. Some divergence between ES and NQ. I don't know. This looks good, though. 18 points from target. That's going to be first target. I have 5 contracts. So I'm going to buy 4 back, cover 4, and we're going to hold 1 runner to hopefully hit that 970 low, which is going to be final real target.
Nice. I have 15 of each ES and MQ.
Oh, you're a dog. I'm trading micros. So I'm a little bitch, but I expect nothing less from Mikey.
EMA 113. What's it gonna be?
Go, rug it. I have no SMTs against me. We almost had one here, but we took the low.
Long RQY.
I need to see this reject.
Long at a KD.
I need to see that get slapped on. I don't like that bounce. By the way, stops do get moved to break even here. Have to. Which is unfortunate if we pop it up, but is what is. Dude, why is Little Pump playing? I'm not listening to Little Pump. Got me fucked up. Dude, clicks. What fucking playlist is this, bro? This shit sucks, dude. I thought you had good music. What the fuck? Today ain't in the mood. I want your pussy, I'm cool. Got 100 million on my to-do list. Got a kid with a bitch, she's stupid.
Long NQ off the 10-minute 20. I'm long MGC.
Mm. All right, guys, this sucks, but I have an SMT against me, so I have to trim.
R2Y.
Market's not giving me what I want. Forced to trim there. 15-minute SMT forming against me. I can't ignore it. I would love to ignore it. I can't. Stops have to stay at break even. That's unfortunate. I hate that. One in my target, but is what is. Kiss your bitch goodbye. She come with us, but she ain't coming back. Hope everybody's having a good morning in the chat. Yeah, I was forced to trim. Had divergence against me. Didn't want to trim, but it's a forced trim, so didn't get full target that I wanted quite yet. Stops are break even on the runners. Full target's now going to be that 22,000 since that was originally first target, but I was forced to trim. I'm not really here to take profits for 20 points, but forced to there, so.
Come on, MKD, let's go.
I know people in the spaces are long right now. I wouldn't be long until you get a fucking rebalance through this. There's no reason to. You've seen everything you need to be short. I don't like the longs whatsoever until you actually get a fill through this gap and backtest. At least that. At least that. You do have a 15-minute SMT forming, but it's not confirmed yet. Here comes target 22,000. 22,000. Come on, baby. I think I'm gonna get it too. 22-point risk. I took profits a little early because I was forced to, but I mean, is what it is. I'm happy to secure some green money, so but kind of annoying.
Had a new workout party, Jordy, at the gym. It's my workout partner.
Oh, wait, you do? You have a new workout partner?
That was you, remember? I saw you.
Oh, dude, that is so funny. Between you and then Lindsay at the golf course, dude, I have multiple doppelgangers around the world. It's actually crazy. That kid from the back, like, I would have walked in the gym and been like, hey, yo, is that me? Like, I'd have been like, fuck. Oh. You just reminded me about Clix's M5 with the Starlight roof. Damn, it's so clean. Dude, it is so clean. Give us PT.
I'm gonna reverse short here on MQ. 2-minute EMAs are lining with 10. NBIX.
How much did you trim? Majority of the position. I had 5 contracts. I trimmed 4. You can see I have 1 left here. Looks like I really didn't need to worry about that 15-minute SMT, but again, I'm not going to ignore that when it's against me. But knowing that we already did what we needed to at the highs to go lower, And knowing that this is the draw on liquidity, I definitely could have held those cons, but I'm also just trying to be safe. And if I see divergence forming against me, you know what I mean? I don't want to just ignore it. Sometimes you end up trimming and it goes to your target anyway, and is what it is. Used to me. Noob Slayer, what's up, baby? Good morning, good morning. Ticks from PT here. Bang, PT hit 22,000, 57 points. Bang, 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 bang. 22-point risk. Risk in the highs. We were in at 20,057. I had to trim, but I wish I didn't trim because we hit my target, but that is what it is. Gotta do it. Looks like they're trying to sweep that low. I'm not convinced until you get a change in the state back to the upside. I would look for continued displacement down, but this is 22,000, a massive figure, so you probably get a bounce. Beautiful. W's in the chat. Who was short? Bang, bang. PT hit. Green on the day. That's a clip. I'm glad I started the stream when I did because I started the stream and basically instantly went short. By the way, guys, if you haven't, go support your boy. We have a new video out. It's a live trade recording. It's a little bit longer, but I wanted to do that for you guys so you guys could really like watch everything I was going through that happened. So it's a little bit longer, but well worth the watch, especially if you missed the stream yesterday. If you were on the stream, of course, you can skip through and kind of just watch the trading moments, but if you missed the stream yesterday, highly recommend watching that whole thing so you can really just see my mindset going through every decision I'm making throughout the day and how we were able, you know, what a break-even trading day looks like for me. So definitely go check that out. Let me know. Like and sub. I don't know how much I'm up. I'm not going to check right now because I don't know that I'm done trading quite yet. And I don't want to look at my P&L until I'm fully done trading. Can we get a long on Microsoft? Fill the 3-bar. What's Microsoft doing? Beautiful bounce off that 22,000, by the way. What were we looking at? Sorry, Microsoft. Microsoft looks great. It's just this is the problem. This is the problem. I don't want like this is the problem. This is great. This is the problem. So predicted, I think Microsoft's dead, bro. I know paper's been long and killing it on this, but I mean, tell me this isn't dead, bro. Look at this. I don't want anything to do with this. 0. I'm sorry, Paul. Soon, though, like, that's the thing, though. This accumulation, at some point, it's going to make a move. And then, like, fuck. Sure, we'll be on it, but this just sucks, man. Microsoft. Pile, bro. Oh, bang. So SPY hit the all-time high. I didn't even notice. But ES did not. Interesting. Okay. All right. Reminder, if you guys are listening to the stream and you want to hear music, I'm pretty sure you can hear music on Twitch. I don't know. Noob, let me know. Noob Slaya. Should be able to hear it on there. Look it out. So, just to recap a little bit, I did take a loss this morning. I did see my model play out. We had an SMT already made. We had a change in the state. We had an inverse ran through. It's just I took the back test and we got stopped. We ran back to highs to manipulate the highs one more time. You can 100% draw a standard deviation leg on that manipulation leg. And the way I would do that would be, I'd probably do, let's run a few. I want to run a few and just kind of gauge it here. Let's run that one. Lanes in a beamer with you. All right, so that's going to be like a longer time frame target in my opinion, but since we would want to target more internal liquidity spots, I'm going to do this. Boom. Okay, okay. Now I want to bump up the time frame. Are we lining up with any gaps? We are. We are lining up with a gap right here. Bang. Bang. So is -2 to 2.5 a solid price target for any shorts right now? Absolutely. Now, if you get further distribution, where do you want to see us go? -4. The problem with -4 is we don't really have anything lining up with -4. Like, I don't have any significant gaps that I see personally lining up. Maybe I'm wrong though. Let me keep looking. No, I really don't. Maybe this actually, potentially this gap, but we've already ran through this gap and have traded in it, so a little shady there. I don't know. The standard deviation isn't super clean here. You guys saw yesterday when I ran standard deviation, it lined up with multiple points of confluence. Today it's not, right? So am I going to rely more on standard deviation today? Probably not, right? Unless I see another manipulation leg that looks good to run standard deviation on, but rather, if I don't see that, I'm not going to run it. It's not worth it. I'd rather do this. I'd rather do something like this. Fuck standard deviation when I can run a 50% retracement of the week, right? Fuck standard deviation. I don't need that when I can do this. 50% retracement of the week. What's that? Bang, 732.25. Now, is that a pretty far target from where we are? Yes. But going into next week, we can maybe look to trade towards those levels, right? That's the 50% retracement of this whole week's price action. Maybe we can see a retracement back to that 732.25. If we want to go even further, it would be the whole range 50% retracement, which would be a big move. I wouldn't expect that to come into it. I would expect just the 50% retracement of the week, which is going to be here. So something to watch. Beautiful short model playing out so far, though, guys. Hourly sell side liquidity is sitting at 971.25. That's a beautiful price target for more shorts. It's just a matter of if you actually get it. Obviously, if we were to see really aggressive selling today, I mean, I would anticipate we end up taking these sell side levels, 860, if we want to sell through these levels. How's chat? I've been missing chat though. How's everybody doing? Shower taught me how to do that. What do we got? How's everybody doing though? Making money? We green? Having a good morning? I hope you are. Dude, you know what I love? Every time I look over at the Twitch chat, I see what you guys remember when Aaron would gift all those subs? It's at 420 and it's just not moved. He like got it to 420 and it's just stayed there now. I love that. It's fucking it's hilarious. Now when anybody goes to Twitch, they just see that. I love it. That's awesome. No more data today, I don't think. Holding that 22K as of now. If we want that continued selling, I'd be targeting hourly. What is that? Those hourly lows of 971.25. But trying to bounce now, so still looks fairly weak though. Not like a crazy aggressive bounce that I would want to see if I was trying to go long here. But again, 22K is just a big spot. But it's also a spot that every retail trader and their mother is watching. So where's everybody stops if they're buying at 22K? Probably 21,990, probably 21,980. So maybe think about potentially buying your stops because we know those big guys can't really fill their orders where we can. They have to wait till orders get stopped out. Bang. Heard. I still don't have my check mark. Damn. It's lame. Saw that dates. Cash every day. I got it anyway. I gotta erase. Skin on check. Kinda okay. I gotta get laid. Clean up real nice. Back on a roll. Really good take. Yeah, for sure. This is just continued weakness. If you're still short, I like beautiful. No reason to long here for me. You're not seeing any real aggressive buying off this 22K, at least quite yet. I don't see any. Kind of do have divergence between the two assets still, but I am curious though. The range we've made so far could definitely pull back to that 50% retracement of the day's range, which would be 22, 33, 25. I'd watch that area for any big rejection on shorts to continue this move down. If we do get a nice bounce here, but really not seeing that aggression from the lows that you'd want to see. See if it steps in. Oh shit. $61.39 again? Oh boy. Oh yeah, but now it's to the downside, yes. Because what is that? That is so yesterday, what was it? Tommy? It was an hourly high that we were looking at. Now what is it? It's actually sell side liquidity now. Now it's hourly sell side liquidity. Bang. Love to see it. I'm trying to get short, just waiting for an entry. Yeah. It's kind of tough because
New high a day. Goes in the 45s.
first entry is this. For me, there's 2 entries on the model. Any other entries are very high risk and lower probability than these 2 entries I'm going to talk about right now. First entry is run through, inverse fair value gap, back test of inverse fair value gap. That is first short position. That's first potential entry, right? That's first potential entry. The only other real viable entry you have is the entry off of a breaker now. So this setup isn't as clean. Let me just do this. Look at this. Okay. There's 2 entries. First entry is off the inversion, off the back test of the inversion. Great. That's a great entry, risking highs. Second entry is going to be your breaker. So what is the breaker? Well, what do we look for when we try and get entries, right? A change in the state generally. So here on the chart we had this morning, I already had the change in the state, right? So one entry is you can take it like right when you fill the inverse on the back test of the inverse, or you can take it on the breaker, which is change in the state here, a back test of the change in the state. So let's say you wanted to see this fair value gap get back tested and see like distribution and order flow hold bearish from that. That's fine. You could have waited to see that. This candle shows you that. This next candle opens up. You take your entry off the breaker. Bang. Bang. Entry off the breaker. Stop can still be at the highs if you're willing to take a 20-point risk. If you're not, stop can be at the most recent highs, shortening your risk even more, right above this fair value gap that you just basically entered off of. Those are the 2 viable entries for the model. That's it. Other than that, I mean, you can try and take other entries. Can you try an entry here off this fair value? Sure. But look at how much your risk is more, right? Look at now, you still have to risk these highs because, I mean, you can try and risk, I guess, this imbalance. You could try and say, I'm just going to risk this imbalance, but the probability of price going to these highs and then selling off is so high that you would get stopped out and it would go in your favor. So that's why there's really only 2 viable entries on the model. Anything past that is low probable, to be honest. Doesn't mean it can't work, especially if you haven't taken a high time frame draw on liquidity yet. It can still be a viable entry, but it's gonna be lower probability, that's for sure. And you gotta be okay with taking that risk at the end of the day. And if you can't take the risk and you're taking too much dollar amount risk, then you gotta shorten up the contracts. You gotta take less contracts. Simple as that. Are you going to post a trade recap? Yeah, of course. Got you. Absolutely will. I'll kind of, I did just kind of go through why I entered and everything, but I'll absolutely do a trade recap. Maybe we do another live trade recording. Or actually, no, not for this one because it was so quick. I'll do like a normal video. So, looking at this now, Brayden, if I was looking for an entry, if I was you, and I was willing to take the risk, it's this. We ran through this, made an inverse. Haven't, we backtested it once. This might be the spot. Another test into that. But again, why is it lower probability now? You've already taken internal liquidity. I hit my $22,000 price target. I hit PT. Internal liquidity has been taken. So Higher time frame draw has not been taken though. Hourly draw has not been taken. This is the draw on liquidity this morning. Bang. 971.25. It has not been taken, so you can still potentially target that. Higher time frame draw is still in play. So there's that. We're back testing this gap right now. It's a potential entry, but again, your risk is high. Well, not super high because volatility is low. It's not 50 points or anything, but let's say you enter right on that. If you are risking, let's say you're risking the highs I was just talking about, you're going to be risking yeah, 50 points is a decent amount of risk, brother. 60 points. For me, I'd have to size like 2 contracts. Like, I can't do that. 2, 3 contracts. That's just a stupid trade to me, honestly. That's a dumbass trade. I wouldn't do it. It can play out, but are you promoting good habits taking that? Not really. Just being honest. Got you, Tommy. Wait, I don't see what lasting long. Wait, who blew their accounts? Poor kid got $80 away from passing and got to chasing and blew his account. Who did, bro? That's fucked. Cool trick I learned just by watching you. Wait. Cool trick I learned just by watching you. Don't enter a trade if the risk swing low is too much of a margin. Instantly saved my risk to reward and my risk management. Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. I mean, right? Because playing this model, right, we're always pretty, for the most part, targeting internal liquidity, right? So if we've seen that internal swing low already being taken, that definitely skews my risk to reward a bit, right? I'm definitely a little more cautious. I'm probably not looking to take the play I was once looking to take because my risk to reward is not as good as I know it can be. And that's the thing, right? That's what it comes down to is I know the opportunities that show up in the market and I know that I can capitalize on them the way that I want. It's just a matter of waiting for those opportunities to show up in front of me. And when they are there, capitalizing on them, right? But yeah, you got to keep yourself away from those poor risk to reward trades because I mean, really, that's something that can just screw you up for the day, right? Imagine you take 3 losses on the day that are stupid risk to reward trades, then you have a banger, right? And you still end up being red on the day because you took stupid trades to begin with. You would have had a great day if you were just patient and waited for what you wanted to see, right? So it's very important, very important. Could somebody clip that? Fuck. Noob. You're on Twitch. If somebody on Twitch could clip that, that would be awesome. I would appreciate it. If not, I'll go back and do it. Not a big deal. Don't clip it on YouTube. I can't use it on YouTube, guys, so don't even clip it there. Clip it on Twitch if you guys can, if somebody can. I'd appreciate that. Thank you, CR. Appreciate it, bro. You're one in Twitch stream too, CR? No, I don't expect CR to do that. There's people in there. There's like 8 people in there, which they're not like nobody's modding. I don't really need it in there because there's not many people. But I just wanted to make sure. It's 480 HP. What is? The Twitch? You gotta go to your settings, brother. If it's on 480 HP, it's likely because you have it as a minimized window. And so that's what Twitch will do. When Twitch is like minimized and they know that they're minimized in your browser, they will turn the stream to a lower quality so your other apps run better. So, but when you go back to the stream and open it up again, it should convert back to 1080p, 60 frames per second. Oh my god. Oh, I'm stupid. Tommy was saying I recorded it with my camcorder. Oh my god. That's hilarious. I'm dead. Okay, gotcha. Never clipped anything before, but I think that should be good. Yeah, you guys are good. No, no, no. Perfect. I appreciate it, noob. Don't worry, man. Even if it's like kind of off, I can go in the back end and edit it a little bit. It's not a big deal. It's just a matter of if nobody clips it right now, I forget about it. And then I don't know what time it was. And let's be real, I streamed for fucking 5-6 hours, bro. So it's, you can understand how it's a bitch to go back to a 6-hour stream, not remembering where I said that certain clip and have to go through the whole thing trying to find it. I spend hours going through a stream to find a 30-second clip, right? I just don't want to have to do that if I don't have to. So that's the only reason I asked to clip. I just realized Twitch looks 2 to 3 times cleaner than YouTube stream, Jordy. Holy fuck. Really? I have nothing different. I mean, you can watch there. Guys, I don't care where you watch. I don't. I used to care. I don't give a fuck where you watch, dude. I don't care. Watch wherever you want. I really don't care anymore. It doesn't matter. I make no fucking money off YouTube anyway, bro. Zero. Like, none. I made significantly more money off all the other platforms. YouTube pays nothing. But it's because the system they have with live streams. They don't have, like, Twitch makes it so viable for subscriptions and things like that. It's a known thing to do that. With YouTube, it's not. It's not a known thing that people go and become a member of a channel, right? It's not, like, it's not a thing, really. It's just interesting. I've noticed that. I don't really care. It's not a big deal. It's not like it's much money anyway. Like, I don't care. I've just noticed that. Like, dude, let's be real. Twitch Kick, I was making almost $1,000 a month. Like, if not, sometimes I would hit that $1,000 a month. YouTube, I'm lucky if I make a couple $100. Let's see. I'm curious. You guys want to know how much money I've made on YouTube over the past 28 days? You ready? This is ridiculous, bro. It's not ridiculous in the fact like, oh my gosh, I deserve to be paid so much. I'm not saying it like that. It's just funny when you look at the comparisons from like YouTube to all these other platforms. In the past 28 days, I've streamed like every day, bro. Past 28 days, we've gotten 5,000 channel views. I've made $78. On Twitch Kick in that amount of time, like I said, in a month I would make about $600 to $1,000. I've made $78 off YouTube. So just goes to show. It's funny. Again, I don't care. Like, it's not a big deal. I just think it's funny, and it's funny to look at it and be like, damn, it's interesting to see that. I actually have to pay taxes on the money I made from streaming this year. Can you believe that? You do have music on Twitch as well. But yeah, you guys watch wherever you want, man. I don't care. I'm still gonna stream everywhere because might as well. I can't stream to X though. It doesn't let me stream to X, unfortunately. Well, it's been a beautiful morning. I feel like things have definitely kind of slowed down here. We're getting close to these hourly lows, which I think is the big target for any of these morning shorts. We haven't quite hit it yet. That level is 971.25. I do think that still comes into play. But I also think if you see some buyers step in after that level gets taken, it could be setting up for a long into maybe the back half of the day. But I just don't see anything actionable that I'd want to be doing right now. So happy with the trade we had and gonna move on from that.
Yeah,
Yeah, Jordan, it kind of looks like the play of the morning was that kind of tube star looking thing of Majiggy there. Right?
Yeah. I had I took a short this morning at 641. I got stopped on that pretty quick at new highs. It's like 20 points. And then I had I still had my thesis was intact, but I had, I got stopped. And so I waited for another potential entry, and we got that, and that played out. Didn't really take trims where I wanted to initially. I kind of botched the trade a little bit on that and made a little less money than I could have, but all good. Still managed to turn the day back green. But just kind of interesting price action now after the moves we've seen. But look at, we're trying to displace lower. I would love to see these hourly lows come into play. I think they do, because ES is still holding stronger as well. So the first asset that's going to hit those hourly lows is going to be NQ. So with ES continued to lead, I would be looking for some buys off there, but doesn't mean I'm going to be taking a position.
Yeah, I would like to see one of two things. I would like to see a bounce off that pre-market low area first buy. To get a nice double bottom, some bottom wick, something like that, I would play that up. If we bounce right around here and then reject 609.75, which is yesterday's close, with some topping.
I'm long because SPY just bounced off of NFP and previous all-time high in that wick.
Okay. NFP high?
609.07.
Yep, I had it turned off. Damn right. Okay, I'll see that now for sure. So this area's got to hold, or else we're coming back down probably to the midway point of the NFP area. There's a huge volume shelf down there for the last days. Yeah.
Yep.
Guys, I know the boys on Spaces are going long and everything. For me, you guys know the way I look at the market. There is not a single viable long entry until we take these sell side liquidity levels. It doesn't make sense at all to me. Now, if we see an SMT forming that's very clean, like maybe you can play off that. I still wouldn't like it because the higher time frame draw is lower, right? The higher time frame draw is lower. So just my thoughts there. And then you just see millions of dollars in VIX calls come in. I wonder fucking why. Let's see if volatility spikes then. I'd be interested to see that.
My data says there's 81% chance Q's close green today.
Ooh, that's interesting. Where's the green mark for Q's? What level? Where are we at? Where do we flip green? I don't have after hours or anything.
57 cents higher.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not that far away.
So like 65, 532, 65 to 75 area.
That is something to watch.
There or higher today.
So what was the actual parameter? Was it?
That is interesting that Emp just said. I
It's when you
don't ignore edgeful data.
Okay.
I don't use it every day, but that data is also something that not to be completely ignored.
You said 70% or something?
like 79. They're very similar stats.
Okay.
Yeah, I still have a short bias, but definitely not to be ignored, that statistic. Even with my thesis, that could play out, and mine plays out too, and like still works, but definitely would not ignore that statistic from Edgeful.
And as far as papers thing, did we open above an FPI or did we just
I have no idea.
I'm trying to look at my 5-minute candles. They look actual open.
Bring them up here and ask them. But we did open above it on SPY.
Yeah, we opened about way above it. 526.71 is NFP high for, or that's December. Where's January's lower, huh? Yeah, January's way lower.
Like I can repeat.
Paper's gonna tell us he's
What?
He took SPY 610s, right?
No, I actually took SPY 609 puts. When
It's still a short, I think.
penny or NFP. So I mean, I closed it. I did.
Is the quality seriously way better on Twitch? CR?
Right.
But open above.
So weird.
Above is day 1.
Actually waiting for a
which will
close
be
on
like 3 days.
change in the state delivery has saved me so many dumb trades. Bro, I know. Cause, dude, how many times, bro, have you fucking, how many times have you, like, been like, oh, my gaps ran through, if this gets a change in the state, I'm taking it, and then it doesn't get a change in the state, you're like, thank God I waited for the change in the state, right? It's so fucking solid. Twitch naturally renders its bitrate at a better rate. Did not know that. Well, shout out them. Shout out Reflections following on the Twitch.
Honestly, like I'm almost.
You guys can watch there wherever you want.
Short on it, and I'm not in it.
Wherever you want. I don't care, guys. I know we've switched over 1,000 times. I don't care. You guys fucking. If you want to watch on Twitch, you can watch there. If you want to watch on YouTube, you can watch there. If you want to watch wherever, bro. I don't mind. I used to care and want everybody in a certain place. I don't anymore. Wherever you want, man. It don't matter. All I care about is that the content is high quality and you guys enjoy it. As long as that is the case, where you're watching, Twitch, YouTube, it doesn't matter, bro. It's irrelevant. Because guess what? All I'm gonna do is take clips from the stream and post them on YouTube anyway. So all the same shit. Don't matter to me, man. Watch wherever you want, wherever you think is cleaner. Pull it up yourself. Yeah, let me look at it. Oh, it does look mad clean. Why does it look so good? It actually looks phenomenal. Wait. Yeah, you see this? Yeah, $78. Oh, you can't see it. I was showing this. Nice, right? That's solid, eh? Okay. No way. What? Bro, YouTube looks shit. Why? It's the same quality. It's the bitrate, though. Dude, look at this. Guys, look at the quality. Watch this. Why, dude? That's so crazy. Dog shit. Phenomenal. I don't know why, guys. I have no control over it. I guess it's bitrate. YouTube struggles on it because its encoders are already so loaded up on videos. Gotcha. That's super interesting. Huh. Once okay, so what? About tell you if it was us. Got red buns on.
We don't have these fucking idiots that could short us. Well, you could short crypto once it gets on like Binance and Perps, which is the fucking best thing to do. Once, like, if you look at old like Chill Guy, Peanut, whenever these shits like hit Binance, you just fucking short. You put in like $50 and you play 50 leverage, and you just ride that shit down. And they play technicals like no other. And crypto loves to go 90% retrade. So let's say something pumps up to fucking 5 million right off the bat. Wait till it's down 90%, and if it doesn't die, go fucking all in because it's gonna go right back up. Like it's so fucking easy to make money. That's why everybody's moving to it. There's no regulations, and there's unlimited volume in it because anybody and their mom can download Phantom app and put money on it.
Damn. I am very happy with that price target I took because look at we have just gone fucking sideways.
Hey, what's up, dude? Yo, thank you so much for the support, bro. When I was on my second account, my Becky's Nuts account, you were always fucking showing love, bro. Like,
Bro, fuck the police.
yeah, bro. But no, yo, seriously, guys, I went to the worst. I wish, like, I would have wished that on like my worst enemy. I would have wished that on fucking fake hair bear, to be honest with you. Even though he's like the biggest piece of shit. Like, I wouldn't wish that on guys. They put me through.
Dude, what is?
You know what? You know what else though, man? And here's kind of what I was thinking. 'Cause I've been through some shit earlier in my life. Yeah. It's not just the money, though. That's big. It's not just the problems.
What the fuck is going on, dude? Okay, I don't. I had to rug spaces, guys. I'm sorry. I had to. I I had to. I got. I'm not taking any fucking chances. Okay, simple. Why did you rug it? Simple. I'm not taking any chances. The whole fucking spaces group chat just blew up. I can't do it. I can't. I can't. Can't do it. It's a world I don't want. I don't want. Pardon, man. I can't do it. Sorry. Dude, no, not when you're coming on a spaces and talking about meme coin. I don't care. No. No. I love you, Zach, but it doesn't matter if it's Zach or some random fool on the internet, man. The spaces is not for meme coin shills. I don't give a fuck. It just can't be. I'm sorry. It's not the place for it. I had no idea that was happening. I was not aware of any of that. And I'm not taking any chances, so I rugged it. It's done. If somebody starts another one, then we'll hop on there. It sucks because I love the guy, you know? And I feel like I'm in debt to him at the same time because it's definitely a partial reason on why I'm so big on Twitter, you know? And so that part of me is like, I want to let him on and I want to let him do what he wants. But at the same time, I can't do that, bro. Sorry. No, I can't do that. And so I'm forced to be put in this position of where I feel like a dick, but I also feel like horrible if I let it go on, you know? So I just feel shitty overall about the situation. Oh, I hate it. Bullshit, bro. And now it's like, why is Spaces gone? Why is it rugged? Why did it rug at that time? Why when that conversation came up did it rug? Oh, blah, 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 blah. And now it's this whole thing. Stupid. God damn it. Zach probably officially hates me now, but is what it is, man. I can't. I can't do that. I don't know what you expect from me. I can't do that, man. I can't do that. Is what it is, I guess. But he's probably not too much of a fan of me anymore. Well, that's FAFO Friday. No, I know, Tommy. I know. It's just hard because I feel like in debt to this person, you know? There's like a part of me that's like in debt to this person. I don't know. That's not gonna ruin my Friday. It's not gonna ruin it. Don't worry. But just dumb shit. I don't even know if somebody started his phases or not. I'm not even gonna start another one, dude. I'm not even gonna do that. We're just on the stream today. Oh my god, fucking V, dude. Damn it. By the way, sell side liquidity coming into play. Bang, 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 bang. It was never a long. Bang, bang, bang. It was never a long. Bang, bang, bang. Sell side about to get taken. If that gets taken and you see buying, you see a soup of this level, that's a potential higher time frame SMT with ES making a higher low. Then we can maybe start to think long, right? When sell side gets taken, if sell side gets taken, what do we want to see? We want to see instant buying. We want to see a fill through a fair value gap made to the downside, which we don't really have yet. We want to see a run through that and a change in the state of delivery to the upside. I'm not really thinking of doing that, though. Like, I'm not really thinking of taking that. But we'll see how it looks if it happens. Everything Tate. I get you, yeah. Like, again, I feel in debt because who did the spaces start with? Him. But doesn't mean, you know, you could just come on and meme coin it up, you know? I mean, am I wrong? No, you're good, Tate. You're chilling. All right. And then it's hard because, like, dude, the whole Spaces crew, like, fuck. You know, Paper, dude. He's texting me. He's like, dude, we're going to jail. Get off. I'm like, fuck. Yeah. Ugh. Bada bee. No stylist. God, it's been a minute since I heard that. Now sell side has been taken. Bang. Hourly SMT technically trying to form, but it's not clean. Why is it not clean? What do I mean by clean SMT? Look at how this is clean, right? But on ES, it's not clean. Why? Because the low we're looking to attack is here, actually. The same low that the SMT is happening on here is actually here. So is that a clean SMT? No, it's not, because its price has ran through that area. It's not an SMT, so that's where that wouldn't really worry me for the shorts. It really just depends on what time frame you're talking about, Ahmet. So like obviously on a higher time frame, we're in a bullish market, right? We know this. Intraday though, I would argue that this is not as bullish. Now, we might change throughout the day, right? We might take sell side, fill through, end up at the highs by the end of the day. I don't know. As of now, this is a bearish market intraday. Right? So it's just time frame relative. But long story short, I will always be trying to align the external model with the internal model. What does that mean? Well, that means the market's fractal, right? Everything we see on a higher time frame, we can see internally on an internal time frame. So I want to see my setup happen on a higher time frame and be able to bump down to a lower time frame and see the same thing happening within that time frame. Does that make sense? And I'm constantly aligning that external draw with the internal draw. If that makes sense. Had to rug the spaces, yeah. Again, guys, I don't know why, but everybody's been saying that the Twitch is way higher quality, and you guys can hear the music there, so feel free to pop over there if you want. Wherever you guys watch is fine. I don't care. I'm just trying to give you the best listening and viewing experience. And for whatever reason, YouTube just looks like ass, bro. I don't know why. That kind of pisses me off, though, because the people that do show up on YouTube, I want it to be high quality for them as well. Why is it so horrible looking, bro? Guys, the stream looks terrible here. Look at the stream on Twitch. This is the stream on Twitch. Wait, what? Maybe it's horrible all around. No, it's not. Look at this is a stream on Twitch, guys. Stream is way higher quality. What the fuck? Makes no sense. I don't know why, but it's a fact. Very weird. Apparently it's Twitch's bitrate settings or whatever. We can't tell if you show it on YouTube. Dude, it's just dog shit. Just know that. It's dog shit. Which is interesting, though, because, I mean, I know YouTube runs at a significantly higher bit rate, but I don't know. It's just weird to me that they would lower the quality that much. And then, I don't know. Not going to be too concerned about it. NCR, don't worry. I'll get dude in the future, cause okay, the streams have been awesome with the trading stuff we're doing. In the mornings, of course. But as you know, as I've said before, like trading streams is not the only streaming I want to do. I want to do other streams as well. Especially like, oh, IRL shit is so much fun. Like whenever we're on, I would love to do like an IRL stream of like Mexico trip and stuff like that. Like I feel like that could be so much fun. And then take clips from the stream and make YouTube highlight videos of it, you know what I mean? Stuff like that I think is very cool. And then on top of that, like being honest, dude, you guys know like I'm a gamer boy. I would love to stream some games at the nighttime, you know? Get all cracked at Fortnite, fucking full box some kids, fucking 200 pump to the dome, you know? One of these days. What's an in real life stream? Like a vlog stream. So you know like a vlog video? I'm walking around and you're a part of my day. You're like a person in my day, right? You're part of the crew. That's how it is with the stream. It's just a live stream of that. So instead of me cutting up a bunch of vlog clips, I just live stream and you come with me around my day, what I'm doing, right? But like we would make it something exciting, right? I would do like, for instance, like I should have done this when I went to pick up the Tesla. Picking up my brand new 2024 Tesla live. Stuff like that. It's fun. I go with one of my buddies. We make a whole video out of it, right? Make it a fun time with the crew. Things like that, right? You're a part of my like more everyday life. But still make it exciting. It's not like, I mean, I could do streams where I just go to the gym, but I feel like that's very boring. I know people would watch, but it's still just kind of fucking boring, I feel like. I don't know. But people love that shit. People, it's weird. People just want to be a part of somebody else's life. You know what I mean? And I've noticed that a lot with streaming. Like, you just want to watch. Even me, when I go and watch streamers, like, obviously I want to watch something that they're doing that I like. But at the end of the day, I'm watching the person. I'm not watching the game they're playing, right? I'm watching them play the game because of them, right? And yeah, I don't know. I just like that. I like that whole side of streaming too. I think it's super cool. Like imagine, dude, poker night with all the boys. Live stream poker night. Come on, that would be sick, right? That would be fucking awesome, dude. Poker night with all the boys, dude. We're doing a $50 buy-in. Winner takes home the pot. Like, it'd be so much fun. That'd be a good time, I think. I don't know. Would you guys watch a poker stream? Like a real poker stream, not online poker. I'm talking like all the boys. I have a camera set up. We're streaming poker. Like, that would be fucking dope. Honestly, it's been probably a month since I played poker. It's been a minute. I need to kind of get back in it. Live stream blackjack, 50 minimum. Bang. Bang. I agree. Thread Guy's been doing that a lot. You guys seen Thread Guy? Which, by the way, I don't know if I'm following him or not on Twitch. I should be. He's a G. Oh my god. Can I type? Damn, dude, he is a streamer already. You guys realize he started streaming like a few months ago? Dude, he has 15,000? Oh, it looks sick too. Bro, his streams look great. I need my stream to look like that, bro. I want this. Twitch, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. I want that, bro. Which is just a fucking overlay. I can do that. Damn, his streams are clean as fuck. You guys remember this? You guys remember this? Little backflipper? Dude, you guys remember that? That was such a good time, bro. Damn, I'm shredded, bro. Look at how shredded your boy is, dude. Wait. Dude, I'm fucking shredded, bro. Dude! Yeah, that was the biggest stream I've ever had. That was the most people I ever had on a stream. Dude, your boy's fucking shredded, bro. Look at that, bro. Shredded. Where's the emoji? Drop the emoji in the chat. The shredded emoji. Where's it at? Come on now. Come on now. Yeah, there it is. Jordy fat now or what? Nah, I'm still shredded, baby. Still motherfucking shredded. You already know it. Maybe I do a gym stream soon. Seems like you guys. I feel like you guys are about that. Little gym stream with Jotty. Dude, I'm actually like pissed on the quality on YouTube though. Guys, it's horrible. The quality of the YouTube stream is horrible. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. This is a vibe. Amen. Looking in your sleep, I know you want to cry all night. Fuck, I was supposed to do like an ad read today. Poker night when? Ooh, I don't know, but I gotta set that up with all the boys and everything. But I think we were looking to do one soon because we haven't done a poker night in a while. I couldn't see how many contracts you were using on YouTube. That's why I was asking. But could have been my Wi-Fi that's bad. No, bro. Guys, I really don't know why the stream is horrible. If you guys couldn't see how many contracts I was in earlier, that's a problem. Go over to Twitch. You need to be able to see the things on my screen, man. But I traded 5 contracts, so you can see here. I actually took a loss to start the morning. We took short 22, 27.75. Stopped out at about 20 points. And then, where was it? I took it short again, 22,057. And we were able to hit price target 57 points. So, happy with that. Made it back green on the day. I don't know how much I'm up. I'll look in a little bit, but solid trade. But yeah, that's horrible, man. Guys, what the hell? I mean, I'm gonna leave the YouTube stream up, like, cause might as well. But that's, dude, that's. I want to fix that though, cause I want the YouTube to be high quality too. I want it all to be high quality everywhere. The frames per second are good. The frames are fine. It's the quality of it that's not good. The frames are perfect though, so that's good. Why? So weird, man. Well, I mean, I can't really fix it though, so. Not necessarily CR. I mean, again, like I don't, dude. At this point, I don't care where you watch. All I know is if it looks like that, that sucks. I'm not switching anything. I'm gonna be live on both these platforms. I'm not switching anything, but I mean, if it's that shitty, might as well go watch it on YouTube, on Twitch, to be honest. If it looks like that. I mean, I would. Fuck. But I have both chats up, so it don't matter where you are. I can see all of you guys, so don't worry. Yeah, that's fine then, Brayden. Oh my god, Harvey, dude. How are you doing, bro? Shout out. We do have to smoke one. Oh my god, bro. How we doing? Dude, it's been a fat minute. How are things? How's the day treating you? Been a hot minute and I've been learning futures in my goddamn room for 3 years. Finally profitable. Let's go, man. I just actually started futures into the end of last year. And yeah, I've been going on it. Right now, I have one Express account. I have these 2 combines that are almost past. We could just look at the profits for the day right now. So I almost have these done as well. I think I'm probably break even on the day from that loss. Let's see. I'm curious. Yep, break even day. Another break even day. So that's on the 2 accounts. This one is slightly more for whatever reason. These are, where are we at though? Oh, we're okay. We're $500 out on this. That, yeah, same as yesterday because we're break even, so chilling. And then once we have all those done and passed, I want to combine the 3, ideally. And then I just made my first options trade of the year. Fuck. Those Apple 235s we grabbed at the beginning of this week, that was solid. That did me good. So happy to be actually making some money on fucking options again. I haven't taken a single options trade all year until this week, so very happy with that. Very happy with that. Made a couple G's on that. Started off strong. Put some money in my pocket because I need to make some fucking money. You know? But that's why we have, you know, that's why we do other things as well. Other sources of income. Yeah, taking those big point moves. Eventually you'll be using NQ. Yep. Absolutely. I agree. That's what I want to get to. I want to get to the point where I'm trading, you know, 5 NQ contracts as my, like, full position. And just playing that, you know? Until then, I'm going to stick to the micros until I'm trading around, you know, too many micros, which is like... I mean, once you get... I feel like Once you get to that 30 micros, it's like, okay, I can just trade 3 contracts now. I can trade 3 NQs. There's no reason to trade 30 micros. You know what I mean? At that point, it's just so much to manage. I'd rather trade three NQs. So yeah. Yeah, I'm with you 100%. Jordan adoption alter ego is back. I'm back, baby. There will be a lower quality video stream. Well, David, it's only on YouTube though. If you go over to the Twitch right now, it's beautiful quality. So, because I am directly, I do have a. Oh well, I don't know if you're saying a dedicated internet line. I don't know if I have that. I just have an Ethernet cable. But it's because somebody was explaining earlier on YouTube the way they do their bitrate settings. No matter what I do with it, they have it at a certain setting, whereas Twitch is more lenient with their bitrate for whatever reason. So I don't know why. Weird. It's a rodeo and ain't gonna pick up whatever she want. He'll take up whatever she want. Whatever she want. Also, there are more fees on 30 MNQs versus 3 MNQs. Oh, versus 3 NQs. Yeah, absolutely, because you're paying for more contracts, right? So you're going to pay more cents per fee or dollars per fee, whatever it is, right? So absolutely. Trading NQ is scary, bro. Yeah, no, it can be, right? But at the end of the day, when I know, you know, the risk I'm taking and the trades, like, I'm not worried about it. I'll be taking the same exact trades. The only difference is, like, what I want to do is I'm going to get 2 of the 150K top step accounts. Well, when I'm trading those combines, do you think I'm going to be trading 5 contracts like I am in a 50K? No, of course not. That wouldn't make any sense, right? Instead, in a 150K account, well, we look at it like this. What's the same risk as taking 5 contracts on a 50K account? What would the risk be on a 150K account? Well, the same risk is 15 micros. That's the same risk. You're essentially, now, dollar amount, it's a different risk. But in terms of your account and your percentage, it's going to be the same amount of risk, right? So when I go to a 150K account, am I going to be using 5 contracts? No, I'm going to be playing 15. And I have to be okay with the dollar amount being risk because it's okay. I have a bigger loss limit on that account. It's totally okay. It's the same thing as trading 5 contracts on a 50K account. We take the same trades. We target the same internal liquidity spots. We do the same exact thing. The only difference is the dollar amount that you're losing or making. But guess what? Yeah, my losses might turn into, instead of me taking $200 to $300 losses, they're going to turn into $1,200, $1,500 losses potentially, right? Those bigger losses. But guess what my winners will be, right? Winners are going to be $2,000, $2,500, $3,000 every time, right? Versus my winners being 300, 400, it depends on the trade, right? If I hit 100 points, I'm probably making around $600 depending on how many contracts I had at the start, right? It just really depends there. But it's all about scalability and what account you're in there, right? So for a 150K account, it'll be 15 contracts. But will I be freaking out about that? Not at all, because it's the same exact trading system I'm using with 5 contracts on a 50K account, right? It's just, you have to, in your head, be okay with the bigger dollar amount risk, right? It's just that simple. I like NQ. I know you do. MNQ short? You might have a potential spot. We are trying to backtest this for a value gap. I think if you get an internal SMT here, that could be beautiful. Little internal SMT at these highs would be nice. Backtest into this inverse. See rejection. But you already took sell side. So it's low probability. Sell side has been taken. You have an SMT, so it's hard to think more shorts for me because the target has been taken and we have a protected low. So shorts are low probability for me at the moment. Even through the glasses, you could see the gaze. Ooh. One thing I have noticed, I have to trade this account next week, the Express, because I haven't traded it yet. Because I've been focused on these other 2 combines as well. I have to trade that this week. Because there's like, you have to be active in the account, you know, enough, or else they close it. So I have to trade that next week, which is totally fine. Happy to. Doesn't matter to me either way. It's just an account. Like, it's just a thing on the screen. Doesn't matter. But I just noticed that because I got an email the other day and they were telling me, hey, you gotta trade your fucking account, brother. I'm like, okay, shit, my bad. Yeah, it's an eval for Top Step. Yes, Harvey. Yes, sir. And then an Express account, when you see Express, this is a funded. So Express is funded, Combine is eval. That's what that means. Wait, do you have to or they close it? Absolutely. You can't just sit and have that account and never trade it. They won't keep it open. They will close it. You have to be active. Oh, so you can go straight to Express for more money? No. No, you have to pass. I just mean this is what it looks like when you've passed your combine. So once I pass these combines, they will turn both into Express accounts like this one. You can't just pay more money and get an Express. I think there are some evals out there that do that. I don't recommend them. I think that's kind of some shady shit going on, but I'm not educated on the details on that, so I really don't know. But yeah. Not with Top Step, at least. Yeah, absolutely, Harvey. Well, that's the thing, you know, I've traded options for 4 years now, since 2020. And you know, I've really obviously I'm a forever student of the market. I'm never going to stop learning, but I'm pretty seasoned on the options. I know what I need to do to extract money from the market with options. I have my system I play, right? And so, you know, coming into the futures, using them for the intraday price action and you know, capitalizing on the intraday price action with futures contracts, I think has just been such a good bonus. Because it's beautiful. I'm sitting back in swing trades, not having to worry about them because I buy plenty of time on my swing trades. While I'm doing that, I'm able to trade intraday, make money intraday on the futures, right? And then overall, we can take the money we make and long-term invest. And it's a beautiful trading trio that I have. You know what I mean? I just love it. It's phenomenal. And we're just going to keep it going, right? Like, now this year, I really just want to take futures to a whole nother level and continue to kill it with futures and just get better and better. And yeah. And record the whole journey in the process. How often do you stream? Every single day, brother, on Twitch and YouTube. So tune in wherever. Again, though, like I've been saying, I don't know why. Well, I know somewhat why. It's the bitrate settings on YouTube. They're fucked, but it's all low quality, so Twitch's looks a little bit better, but I don't know. You can just watch wherever you want. We're live every day, though. Funded means you're already passed in the eval, right? Yes. Funded means, like, yeah, you've passed the eval and you're ready to trade. Internal SMT just formed. If you're looking for shorts, you now want to see a fair value gap get ran through and a change in the state, but it's not very clean. I don't see any clean gaps being formed, and you have SMTs at the lows and highs creating an unfavorable price action for you to trade in. I don't think either direction is viable at the moment. But if I had to bet, I'd bet downside, because that's been the trend today. If I had to bet, if you force me to take a trade right now. At the same time, nobody's forcing anybody to take any trades. You don't have to do anything. So if you don't like what you see, why the fuck are you taking trades, baby? Don't do it. It's not worth it. It's Friday. We're wrapping up the week anyway. It's time for the weekend. Get into a new week. Speaking of, do we have any closures? Because if we do, dude, are there any more market holidays? January, okay, we're past that. February 17th is the next one. So we have a little while. We have a full week of trading. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Very happy about that. Very happy about that. We like that. Ramp on down a little bit. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, 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 ah. Whoa. How much money you got? How much money you got? Do you have any mentorships or give any advice like a Discord? I do have a free Discord, ! Free Discord in the chat where you can see my options trades and we just chat and talk with everybody. So that's there. But the mentorship is really the live stream, man. I mean, you guys can watch me trade live every day, what I'm doing, ask questions, I give my thoughts, I talk to you guys all day. So really this is the live mentorship, you know? For free every day. $121 for L. Ain't no way I'm gonna switch. Yeah, thank you, Antonio. I have it like that because YouTube has super strict copyright rules. So on YouTube, I have it set to where you can't hear the music on YouTube, but on Twitch you can. Because Twitch doesn't care about that shit. I'll make sure to tune in more, 9 a.m. Okay, so, little weird. I do a different show. I do a morning stock market show called The Daily Rip. It's on the StockTwits account on YouTube. It looks like this. I'll show you. So me and Shy Balor, and then we also have Michael Nouse that comes on. Where's our stream for today? Oh, like this is from one of the streams right here. So this is kind of what it looks like. Me and Shy, we open up the morning, we talk about things every morning, but that goes live at 9 a.m. So at 9 a.m., I'm on this stream on StockTwits until 10 a.m. Eastern. And then at 10 a.m. Eastern, I start my stream on here, and we trade live all day. So I would definitely follow this account if you want to watch the morning show. I mean, we do it every day, so feel free. That's where I'm at the first hour of the market open. But after that, we start the stream here, and it's all day kicking it here, baby. Dude, YouTube is dog shit. Yeah, no worries, bro. Brent, good morning. What's up, baby? Just to make a couple bucks. My heart's so cold, I can put it in my cup. Game versus the world. Me and my dog, it was us. Sleeping into the midnight. Bro, what are they doing? Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. These fucking. Oh my god. What an interesting FAFO Friday. Dancing to the break of dawn. Get up on the floor. Dancing to the break of dawn. I'm not going anywhere, bro. I'm not doing anything. It sucks though, because I actually want to talk to him. Like it sucks. Talk about fart coin. Oh boy. Well, I guess I should get this posted. Is it a green week? Barely. Slightly green week. I need to make a post. Draft man still. I'm not a man still. Hey, again. Now I had to do it for. I had to do it for you. All right, guys, you guys should go like and retweet. We just posted the trade, the profits, and the profits for the week. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Another rug? Knott's phone is fine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Any trades for the day? I just signed in. I did make some trades for the day. I actually just posted about them. Another break-even day for me. Overall green week, but significantly smaller than the green weeks we usually have. This was the trade I had today. It was beautiful, but I ended up taking a 20-point loss before this. So we made, you know, we took, I was forced to trim here 4 contracts, we had divergence, so I had to trim early, couldn't get full trim at my full target, but ended up getting the last contract to full target, so I was happy with that. But definitely could have done a bit better today. I mean, had I not taken that loss, it would have been a beautiful green day. But instead, a little more break even. Still overall green on the week, though, so I'm happy with that. That's what matters. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you, New York, yeah. And why? Thanks, Alan. Appreciate you, man. Hey, I've seen you on the Twitter as well. I appreciate all the support, man. I've seen you. You're always commenting and giving me up, so I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Overall, I mean, definitely could have done better this week, but can't be mad about consistent green weeks back to back to back over and over. I haven't had a single red week trading futures like fucking this entire year, so got to be happy with that, you know? Obviously, I wanted to hit some better targets this week. Had a few trades that I definitely could have done better on. But overall, you got to be happy with being profitable on the week, man. That's what matters. Give a fuck what happens day to day. It's all about the weeks, the month, the quarter, right? Are you consistent in those aspects? And so just got to shake that off and on to the next week. Well, gents, it's been a phenomenal day. I think your boy's gonna wrap it up. I'm not gonna take any more trades today. Given the way the market's looking now, I don't have any other setups really. So I'm gonna pop off and get the weekend started. Well, I'm not getting the weekend started yet. I got work to do. I got clips to edit and shit to do. So I'm gonna get all that done. But we'll have a trade recap video from today. So watch out for that on YouTube. That'll get posted soon. I just have to film it and edit that. And I also need to edit some short clips for like TikTok and Instagram and all that. So I'm gonna get that work done. But it was a beautiful Friday, beautiful week. Ended the week green. Again, not as green as I'd want to be, but all good, baby. That's trading right there. So I love everybody. If you guys are tuning into the streams, whether you're on Twitch or YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribing or following. I appreciate everybody. We're live every day, so and YouTube's being weird and like the quality's lower. So if you go like if you want to watch on Twitch, I don't care. I know I used to care a lot about like which platform everybody's on. I don't mind. Like you guys go wherever you want. Fucking Twitch is totally fine. So wherever you want, go on. Make sure you guys have the notifications on, and we'll see you bright and early on Monday morning. I think I'll be doing a weekend stream though, Sunday night stream. I will let you guys know though in the Discord if if something comes up. But we should be good for a live stream. So, all right, y'all. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the weekend. We'll see you Monday morning. Peace out.